your host, Chloe, and this is The Hot Seat. Today in The Hot Seat, we have Miss Sims.
Hello!
Miss Sims, are you ready to get your goal in the hot seat?
I think so.
Your time in the hot seat starts now. What did you have for breakfast this morning?
2 boiled eggs.
What frightens you?
Oh, spiders.
What is one thing currently in your fridge?
Hot pepper sauce.
What is your favorite color?
Oh, too many. Red.
What is your favorite book?
A Fine Balance by Rohinton Mystery.
What is your favorite movie?
Shawshank Redemption.
What is your favorite smell?
Smile.
Smell.
Smell. The rain.
What is your greatest personal achievement?
Staying alive.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
Oh, vanilla.
Describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words.
Oh, 3 words. Oh my goodness. Shy. A little bit awkward. And can I go back to shy?
Okay. What is your favorite meal of the day? And that's time. Thank you for coming along today and being such a good sport. Who would you like to nominate next?
I would like to nominate Miss Callagher.
Okay then, Miss Callagher, you're next. Prepare yourself for the hot seat.